Create and apply email templates. Email templates eliminate the repetitive work of writing the same messages over and over. Whether you're sending welcome emails, requesting documents, or providing status updates, templates keep your communication consistent while freeing up your team's time for higher-value work. Templates work two ways. Apply them manually when composing individual emails, or build them into pipeline automations where they send automatically as jobs progress through your workflow. This flexibility means you can standardize communication while still maintaining personal touches when needed. The quickest way to start is using ready-made templates from the marketplace. These templates incorporate industry best practices and can be easily customized to match your firm's voice and needs. Here you'll find templates for common scenarios like client onboarding, portal introductions, document requests, and status updates. Let's add the Introduction to Portal template as an example. For free templates, select Get Free. Paid templates require payment processing before they're added to your library. Once added, find your new template and open it to review and customize for your firm. The template editor provides all the settings you need. Start by checking if your template has a descriptive name that makes it easy to identify when you're selecting from your template library. The mode setting determines which type of shortcodes you can use. Contact shortcodes pull from individual contact information, while account shortcodes pull from the account level. Choose based on how you typically structure your client data. The From field controls who the email appears to come from. This is what recipients see in their inbox, regardless of who actually sends the email or triggers the automation. To appear in this dropdown, team members must have synced their email with TaxDome and allowed others to send from their email in account settings. This ensures emails are sent properly from their email address. Thread Assignee determines who's responsible for managing replies to this email. When clients respond, the assigned team member automatically receives the notification and handles the follow-up, keeping conversations organized without manual routing. Use shortcodes to personalize emails automatically. These dynamic placeholders populate with actual client information when the email sends: names, account details, dates, and more. Shortcodes work in both the subject line and email body. The mode you selected earlier determines which shortcodes are available: contact level or account level data. Attach files that should automatically include with every email sent using this template. This works perfectly for welcome packets, instruction guides, standard forms, or any document clients need regularly. When you're done configuring your template, save it. Now it's ready to use whenever you need it, either manually or in automations. To use your template for bulk emails, select clients from your accounts list. In the email composition window, find the Templates field and select your template from the drop-down. The subject line, body, and attachments populate automatically. The same message goes to all selected recipients with their personalized shortcodes automatically filled in. You can still edit the text before sending if you need to customize this specific message. Changes you make don't affect the saved template. You're just adjusting this one instance. Templates become even more powerful in pipeline automations. When editing a pipeline, add the Send Email automation to any stage. Select your template from the automation settings. Now, every time a job reaches this stage, the email sends automatically, no manual work required, perfectly timed to each client's progress. Need variations of existing templates? Use the duplicate function. The duplicate appears with the same name followed by a number in parentheses. Open it and make your changes. You've created a new template without building from scratch. To remove templates you're no longer using, select Delete from the Template menu and Confirm. This permanently removes the template from your library.